The East Taraka Elementary School is tucked away in a small, forgotten corner in the suburb. In 2001, the community decided to establish a school on this portion of land. A classroom was built and the kids began coming.
Education department, lands department too, or to kimpla ho sa ground emplo education purpose. So mi pla kirabi elementary school arelo road ya. Na behind time development kam lo primary school na apla institutions too by sana ho sem vocational is lakai. So mi pla ho kim tiarem nem pla ho kim school lo elementary lo here since 2001 coming up now. I'm 12 years now sa school start. And then in a long time mi pla looking sa olman ko kana working house. I'm planning to give sa permission lo man kam working house wisla brown ya.
The community is now fighting a land grab. They've found themselves pretty much on their own because government authorities haven't officially responded to their concerns. Isaac Narol, a former member of the Morbi Provincial Assembly, questioned the land sales and took the matter to court after his food gardens on the vacant land were destroyed. The school sits on section 253. According to records, there are 10 land allotments that are now being disputed. The allotments were marked out by an officer of the National Housing Corporation, and according to tenants, they were sold for prices ranging from 600 to 1,000 kina each. In court, the magistrate said he would only be compensated for the damages and that questions over the sale of land were a separate matter.
People asking more land, several authority, lands department, Department of Lands, or Ministry, government of Papua New Guinea, the land for such institutions are taken away like nobody's business.
One Pis Thomas settled on the land behind the school. He's not really sure who's selling the land, but he heard that the lands department was facilitating land sales.
More than 30 years now. Long time in staff ko na usam la up garden we blasa working garden na kage na staff lab na school ya staff long time na school nem government no gam na rap na now bayu lugu mem boost now.
The acquisition of this land portion also in East Taraka is being questioned. According to records, it belongs to the Papua New Guinea Fire Service, and this is where a new fire station was to be built. It is understood to have been sold by the Lands Department. The provincial administration knows about this land transaction after complaints from the PNG Fire Service and members of the public. Senior officers wrote to the Morbe provincial administrator with a set of recommendations. We don't know what those recommendations contain, but it's understood they seek some form of action. The Lands Department office in Leh wasn't able to respond to our inquiries because all the senior officers were unavailable when we went to their offices just after midday today. Scott Wide, National EMTV News, Leh.